Cash off a credit card, step by step.
This is B. B just got approved for a $50,000 credit card, but he wants to take the money off of it. So how does he go about it? The number one way he could go about it is a balance transfer. What a balance transfer is he's going to transfer the available credit from that credit card and move it to either another credit card or to his bank account. So say, for example, he got approved for a $50,000 Chase credit card. He can move that $50,000 to his Chase bank account. Now, the second way you can go about it is running payroll. So say, for example, you use a payroll software such as ADP or Gusto. What you can do is you can run payroll, pay with that credit card, and then you as a CEO, general manager, employee, whatever the case may be, that money is going to get deposited into your bank account as your check. Now, the third way you can go about it is a payment processor. Now, be careful with this one because you will pay 2.9%. But say, for example, you have a payment processor such as Stripe or QuickBooks or Square Cash. If you have a business and an LLC with Stripe, or you know somebody who does, essentially what you can do is you can have them send you an invoice for the amount of that credit card. You'll pay using the credit card that you got approved for, and then the money will get deposited into their bank account in 48 hours, and then they'll just wire it to you. Now, again, be careful with that one because that one you have to pay the 2.9% and they'll pay taxes on it. But those are three ways that you can take the money off that credit card.